Hey there, I'd like to help you find your assignment for the Natural Disasters Virtual Science Fair. So I'm going to open up my web browser and then I am going to go ahead and go into Google Classroom, and you will see that I'm already on the classwork tab. When you go into Google Classroom, of course, you start out on the home page, choose Team STEAM 1920 for the class. Then the first thing that opens up will be the stream, which we have a great game of Would You Rather going on here. Plus I post a few things here also, so it's good to take a look at this every single day. Click the classwork tab, which is up here at the top. And then if you slide down here, we have the new topic, Natural Disasters Virtual Science Fair. Go down to the second from the bottom, and that is your assignment. You can tell it's the assignment with the slides to edit because it looks like a clipboard. The others just look like bookmarks because the other items are resources for you, and they're put in there as materials, which are resources. So I'll click on Natural Disasters Virtual Science Fair, the clipboard one, second from the bottom. And you also notice it says due May 29th. That's another good way to tell that it's an assignment. Click that. For me, I get a little bit different view because it tells how many students have turned in and how many are assigned. But you just need to click on the virtual science fair. If you want to look at the example, that is here as well. So to actually do your slides, click on the Natural Disasters Virtual Science Fair, and there are your slides. Your title slide, that's the first one you'll edit. And then if you go down to slide 9, that is the next one you'll edit. All of those slides between 2 and 8, those are all resources for you. The videos that you can watch to learn about your topic, and all of the little images that we've included for you. So again, slide 1, and then the next slide to edit is slide 10. So there they are. I hope that helps.